pharmacognosy, ecopharmacognosy, and ethnopharmacology definitions. The expression pharmacognosy was first utilized within 1811 and 1815 and primarily related to materia medica, the awareness of medicine substances or pharmacology. It is obtained from two Greek terms, pharmakon, which means a drug, and gnosko, to earn an awareness of. It arrives as no surprise that day, in periods of almost immediate universal communication through the internet and fast universal transport, many viewers share an analogous idea of geographical space being annihilated. Pharmacognosy, but what's that? Steadfast in medicine, pharmacognosy expanded as a distinguished discipline because of the requirement for an expert scope of knowledge that was significantly disconnected from the exercise of drugs, physicians, materia medica, pharmacology, the dispensing of drugs, pharmacy, and also the recognition of medical plants, botany. And thus far, pharmacognosy grew as an integration of these last three and thus developed as a common discipline. In a similar way, the plant awareness of patients at facilities jointly was broadly similar, with a basically overlapping peak of popular, mostly inserted species, and essentially the similar number of medical plants aforesaid overall. This points out that conventional medicinal awareness is a main section of a people's cultivation that is being preserved, while patients are as well embracing the advantages of Occidental medicine. Ecopharmacognosy and ethnopharmacology expressions. Ecopharmacognosy is a well-determined, various collection of technologies and sciences which runs at the cutting cream. To what future finishes? To whom has this experience been given, and for what objective? For what will ecopharmacognosy accountable through function? Which universal initiatives? Which government agencies? Which industries? Ethnopharmacology is actually a multidisciplinary scope of inquiry discussing the rationale of anthropology and the pharmacological foundation of the medical usage of fungi, plants, animals, minerals, and microorganisms by individual cultures. In addition, ethnopharmacopoeias are educational sectors and in constant interchange and transformation. Domestic usage of medical plants and connected cultural healing notions are able to live together with and complement the domestic commercialization and usage of pharmaceuticals. Anyway, like coexistence considerably drives to syncretic evolutions as shown for provenical domestic communities in Peru and Mexico.